There are several ways to earn money online without any investment, some of which are 1. Freelancing. You can offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and more. You can earn money by completing tasks for clients such as writing, designing, programming, and more. 2. Online surveys. You can sign up for paid online survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Windale Research and earn money by completing surveys and giving your opinion. 3. Sell your skills. You can sell your skills on websites such as 99 Designs or Creative Market. You can earn money by creating logos, graphics, or even writing content. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products of different companies or websites through your social media handles, blogs or YouTube channels, and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. 5. Content writing. You can write content for different websites or blogs and earn money for your work. Online tutoring. You can offer online tutoring services for students and earn money for your time and knowledge. These are just a few ways to earn money online without any investment. The key is to find something that you are passionate about and that aligns with your skills and interests. Thanks for watching.